mag-sister guys. Nakita sila. Si Amalia, Melanie, Salado. Nakita sila dinhi sa Mandaluyong, Pantalyon, Estrella Bridge, sa pagitan ng ng Makati at saka Mandaluyong. Dito guys, Mandaluyong. And the building covered with lights is belong to the city of Makati, what we call Rockwell. That's the Rockwell guys. Yeah, Bihu, Barangay Bihu. Where we are, where are we? We are here. Video. I'm about to be blue, but my phone is getting shut down. I think because the percent is only 9%, but pwede pa to guys, pwede pa to. Tayo'y mag-video-video, mag-video na. Tayo'y mag-video-video, mag-video-video na. Yo'y mag-video. Putulin ko muna guys.